Good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Look at that beautiful view. Awesome. We're in the mountains of Virginia over here, close to Tazewell, Virginia. We're about 15 minutes out from the back of the Dragon. We just got up. I was up at 5 a.m. with Big Guy, had some coffee, had some breakfast. Glenn, Camilo, Barber, CVO 19. We're ready to rock. We're gonna go to Main Street in Tazewell, Virginia, where the tour area is, where everybody stops first. Take some pictures, and then we're going to hit the back of the Dragon. We'll give you guys some information about it, look around for a little bit, and then we're gonna hit the back of the Dragon, and then we are going to go straight to Knoxville, Tennessee, to check into the hotel over there, where we're going to be obviously meeting up with everyone, with Traveling Tall, Robert Simmons, Queen Sit, Rusty Bagger. We're going to be doing the Tail of the Dragon tomorrow, and then we're going to do the meet and greet at Bootleggers Harley Davidson. So stay tuned, guys. We have awesome content for you guys on this awesome trip, so kick back and relax and listen to the 128 roar.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus.
Okay, guys, 8:30 a.m. and we are here, back of the Dragon. Pretty cool. I guess if you're gonna do the back of the Dragon, you gotta come here and take a picture in front of the Dragon. I got the boys here, Mr. Big Guy Bagger.
We're here.
Barber CVO 19. Mr. Glenn.
We made it.
We made it. So, crazy hectic day yesterday. A lot of rain. Probably got dry and wet, dry and wet, dry and wet, probably about 3-4 times. But anyway, really cool here. And we're gonna take some photos, and it's just beautiful scenery everywhere. We're gonna hit the back of the Dragon. We're gonna do it and then shoot straight into Knoxville, Tennessee. Like I said, to go check in, but let me show you guys around. If you're gonna do the back of the Dragon, definitely stop here. So this is in Tazewell, Virginia. Come here and check it out, take some photos, take some pictures, and then hit it. pause button. Very informative and interesting. Guys, so we just left the shop. Camilo's rocking his shirt already. He don't play around. Everybody's got a couple things, couple items, some stickers, some t-shirts, hats. 2 miles down the road, we're gonna bang a left, and we're gonna hit the back of the Dragon, do that, and then we're gonna be going straight to Knoxville, Tennessee, so stay tuned.